Hey YouTube, just think back on the most recent time you were broken down on the side of the road due to some sort of mechanical failure. Well, there are several simple checks and services you can easily perform in order to reduce the possibility of this happening again. Jessica and I are going to provide a series of videos to show you how. This video is the first in the series to help you towards more reliable automotive transportation. Believe me, you do not want to miss this video. The first tip starts now. Let's roll. Did you know you probably have two things in your pocket that can significantly increase your chances of making it to where you're going safe? Here they are. All right, bring it in. Just nice and close. Okay, check it out. The distance between the edge of the quarter and the top of President Washington's head, 4/32 of an inch. That's the minimum amount of tread depth you should normally have. The edge of the penny to the top of President Lincoln's head is 2/32 of an inch. That's the depth at which you really should replace your tires. Here's a bonus tip. It goes hand in hand with having the proper tread depth on your tires. You want to make sure that your tires are inflated to the correct level. Here's how you do that. Simply remove the valve stem cap. You're going to use a tire pressure gauge like this one or any of the ones that you can buy pretty much anywhere, grocery stores, automotive stores. Take this end of the gauge, press it onto the valve stem, and you're going to see what it reads. Now you know no one's half the battle. We'll talk to you soon.